Good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. Yeah, we have three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved in today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 6th, 2024. It's today, D-Day. Yes, D-Day. 80 years ago in 1944. D-Day started. Yes. So it's a Memorial Day. And also today, it's election day, European election day, yes. And the first country, is our country, the Netherlands. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles, the 4 star Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one, the 4 star Sudoku, will be number 8665. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this really a 4 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with a 9. A lot of 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 9s. 9 in this row. First row. 9 in the second row. So the third row. The only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last row. 9 in that row. So the row between. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, third column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay, 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for 5 should be down. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 7, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. The only place left for 2 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and the 7. Alright. Okay. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. How about 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Well, we have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Yeah. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7 here. That's a pair. Alright. 8, 8, need an 8 here. I need an 8 there. Okay. And I need an 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 8 in the third column. Oh wait, the 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row, so the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Can I go back to this? 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, cannot continue with the 2. What is 6 now? Yeah, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3 and number 6. Alright. Okay. 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 here. Well. Let me think. Let me think. 1. 3, 7 and 5. 3, 7 and 5. 5, 5. 3, 7. Well. Come on. I'm thinking. 2. Well, yeah, overlooked. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Alright. And now. 3, 7 and 1. Yeah. Which number can I pick? Need a 5 here. No 5 here. 5, okay. But the 1 then. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 1 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 5, 3, 7. 3 in the 5. Come on, 3 in the 5. I need to think. 3, 5 in this. 5. I need a 3 here. I need a 3 here. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. 1 here. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, now we have a 3 here. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then 1 and a 5. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 7 then. Okay. Need a 3 here. Come on. 1 and a 5. Well, 1, 3 and the 2, 2, 2. 1 and the 3. Come on. 2 and the 7. Well. I'm thinking. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number. Oh wait, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2 in this last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. The only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And then 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the 7 in the last row, 7 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 15 minutes. Well. Not another 15. So not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Let me give it a 2. Not the 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15. Otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.